Making the most of your LetterJoin free trial. The LetterJoin free trial is the best way to get to know LetterJoin before you buy. The free trial includes all the resources and activities you need to review the LetterJoin handwriting scheme. You will have full access to teaching animations, handwriting games and interactive handwriting activities, plus the LetterJoin PDF worksheets which you can print for real handwriting practice. The free trial offers a choice of printed and cursive fonts for online activities. On your free trial, you can change the letter formation and fonts to match your handwriting teaching style. A good place to start is to change the preferred letterforms for LetterJoin for the letters F, K, W, X and Z to match your handwriting style. To change the font, click the Change Font link and select which LetterJoin font you would like to use for activities and worksheets. From any LetterJoin page, click the Info button to go to the Teacher Information page. As well as being able to select different fonts, this page is also your go-to page for LetterJoin videos and teacher presentations. There are handwriting activities and worksheets for all key stages, and you can share the free trial passwords with all the teaching staff in your school. A LetterJoin school subscription includes many more resources than those available in the free trial. The most valuable resource for teachers is the inclusion of the LetterJoin handwriting lesson planners. Other resources which are included in a school subscription but not in the free trial are downloadable fonts, an editable handwriting policy, a handwriting recovery program, a handwriting assessment tracker, and a facility to set home learning tasks and a series of home learning packs. New school subscriptions include LetterJoin manuals posted to your school, one for each classroom account.